What if I told you there's a simple secret to turning one of the most stressful parts of driving into a moment of total calm and control? We're talking about approaching junctions. In this explainer, we're going to break down a tiny mindset shift that makes a massive difference. It all boils down to one single decision. You know that feeling, right? Your heart starts to pound, you're leaning forward in your seat, just praying, please be clear, only to end up slamming on the brakes at the very last second. If that sounds even remotely familiar, you are in exactly the right place. So let's give that feeling a name. We're going to call it the Junction Gamble. It's this super common habit of just hoping for the best, and honestly, it's the root cause of so much of our anxiety on the road. Okay, so this is the habit we really need to kick. Going until decision means you're basically rolling the dice, approaching a junction, and just hoping you can breeze through. But what that really does is force you to make a split-second judgment right at the line. It's a perfect recipe for stress, and yep, that late, harsh braking we all hate. And the consequences are, well, they're not great. Your heart rate shoots up, you're making decisions in a panic, you're braking way too hard, which is uncomfortable for you and your passengers. It creates this constant low-level panic. You're literally gambling with your safety every single time. So what's the alternative? This is the aha moment, I promise. It's a simple but honestly revolutionary shift in how you think. Let's talk about the incredible power of deciding to stop first. Instead of hoping you can go, you flip the script. You approach every single junction with the full intention of stopping. You're not looking for a reason to hit the brakes anymore. You're now looking for a crystal clear, absolutely undeniable reason to go. This tiny switch changes the entire dynamic. And just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On the left, you've got the gamble. It's all based on hope. It leads to harsh, late braking, and it feels super stressful. But on the right, that's the solution. You're driving with intent, braking gently and early, and feeling calm. It's the difference between being a gambler and being in control. So how do you actually do this? It's really just 4 simple steps. 1. Approach with the mindset, I am stopping here. 2. Start braking early and gently. 3. As you get closer, you can ease off the brake just a bit. Let the car roll slowly to the line so you can get a really good view. And number 4, and this is the big one, you only go when you are 100% certain it's safe. No guessing. So why is this tiny change so ridiculously effective? Well, it's not just about being extra cautious. There are some very real practical benefits to how you physically drive and, just as importantly, to your peace of mind. The absolute key benefit here is time. You're giving yourself the gift of time. By slowing down to what feels like a walking speed as you get to the line, you're giving your brain the extra seconds it needs to actually process everything, judging the traffic, steering smoothly, getting your clutch control sorted. You simply stop rushing. Okay, I can already hear what you're thinking. But won't this just annoy the person behind me? Won't they get impatient? It's a totally fair question, but the reality is actually the complete opposite. Think about it from their point of view for a second. When they see your brake lights pop on nice and early, they know what's coming. There's no surprise, no sudden stop. You're basically babysitting them through the junction, giving them plenty of warning, and making the drive safer and way less stressful for everyone involved. Alright, now we have to talk about the single biggest reason people give up on this technique. It's a little mental trap that we all fall into sometimes, and it's called the hindsight fallacy. Does this thought process sound familiar? You do the right thing, you slow down nice and early, you get to the line, and it's totally clear, and that little voice in your head immediately says, "Ugh, I slowed down for nothing." That feeling is precisely why people go back to gambling. But here is the golden rule, the most important thing to remember. Hindsight is an absolutely terrible way to judge your driving. What you know after the fact is totally irrelevant to the decision you had to make in the moment. You can only judge yourself based on the information you had at the time. That's it. If the junction was blind, If you couldn't be 100% sure it was clear from a distance, then slowing down was the only correct and safe decision. It doesn't matter if a car ended up being there or not. You made the right call. Now, when you really commit to this way of thinking, the change you'll feel is, well, it's almost instant. So let's talk about the transformation that's waiting for you. You're gonna physically feel less stressed out. And because you're not rushing anymore, your gear changes are gonna become buttery smooth. This creates this awesome positive feedback loop where your confidence just starts to snowball. You'll start to feel like you're playing chess, not checkers. You're proactive, not reactive. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? You stop being a victim of the junction and start being the one in control. You're no longer at the mercy of traffic just hoping for a gap. You are the one who dictates the pace. You are the one ensuring your own safety. So the next time you're driving and you see a junction coming up, I want you to ask yourself this question. What if the safest way to drive is also the calmest way? What if it all starts the moment you decide to stop first? Just give it a try. I promise it might just change everything about how you feel behind the wheel.